Hey guys, I gotta tell you about these headphones I found. They're the P47 wireless headphones and they are amazing. I snagged them for just RM8.9 on Lazada. First off, the extra bass on these is unreal. And let's talk about the Bluetooth connectivity. So smooth. The built-in mic makes taking calls super easy. I've been using them for workouts and they stay good. Trust me, for this price, the quality is insane. So if you're looking for budget-friendly amazing headphones, get these. Grab the P47 wireless headphones on Lazada now before they sell out.
So today in this video I will make same video you have just watched. This is a new AI that will aid the influencer job, because this AI will make amazing video using the script text to the video like just now you have watched. Simply type TopView.ai.com. TopView.ai.com. This is new AI. This will generate a high quality avatar video for your product review or your tag or anything you want to make review, but you don't want to show the face. You can see here number one product of the day. Okay, they also show you how you will get the product idea. Simply use sign in with your Google account. I'm going to sign in with my Google. Now the window will be open like this. Now here you see generate video with AI. Here is the interface and we will fill this. Simply go the product you want to make. I want to make video for this. Place it here and now get the product description. Place here. And also you can add some your own text. Okay. Now you can add some picture for the photo for the product you want to make video. And here is the product picture. And now go here, you see the video will be vertical and English language and auto select. AI will be auto select and no avatar. So if you want to make the same video I show, you have to choose the avatar. Here they have a lot of avatar and beautiful women. See here, she's really beautiful and she will review the product you want to make video. So here her position. Now I am going to select this. This and confirm. Now our video will have an avatar with the same product. Okay. Now generate. This may take few seconds and you just hold on. You can see here the AI generate with tags and everything. They have option 1, option 2, option 3. So which one is good for you? You can read fast here. You can see here I want this because they add my shop name and also the price exact, so I will choose the first option. Okay. For the second option you can see they do not mention my shop name and the price. This one grab yours for just your experience. This one they mention the price but not mention my shop name. Okay. Only the first one they mention my shop names with the same price I put. So I am gonna to choose this one. So this text will be generated with video here. You can see the video is already here.
Hey fam, check this out. I just found the P47 headphones. These bad boys are not just headphones, they are the whole vibe. They are super lightweight, perfect for all day wearing. Say goodbye to ear fatigue. These will keep you comfy for hours. The over-ear design isolates noise like
The
a
video is
pro.
ready here.
You will hear everything.
The video is ready here. I am to download the video. See first.
Hey fam, check this out. I just found the P47 headphones. These bad boys are not just headphones, they are the whole vibe. They are super lightweight, perfect for all day wearing. Say goodbye to ear fatigue. These will keep you comfy for hours. The over-ear design isolates noise like a pro. Trust me. You will hear every detail crystal clear. It's so satisfying. Built-in mic for calls. Yes, please. Clear calls guaranteed. Volume control and an on-off button make it super easy to use. The bass, off the charts, deep and resonant, you won't believe it. Gaming sessions will be a whole new world. Immerse yourself. Get yours now at OS Marina Shop for just RM29. You won't regret it.
The video is amazing. Okay. Now you see to export, they will deduct 5 credit from my account. Since I am fast free plan, I have 10 credit for download this video with watermark. Will be deduct 5 credits from my account. Very simply, I want download. The video is exporting. So our video is export already. Now download in your computer. Simply click. Our video is done. Now play.
Hey fam, check this out. I just found the P47 headphones. These bad boys are not just headphones, they are the whole vibe. They are super lightweight, perfect for all day wearing. Say goodbye to ear fatigue. These will keep you comfy for hours. The over-ear design isolates noise like a pro. Trust me. You will hear every detail crystal clear. It's so satisfying. Built-in mic for calls. Yes, please. Clear calls guaranteed. Volume control and an on-off button make it super easy to use. The bass, off the charts. Deep and resonant, you won't believe it. Gaming sessions will be a whole new world. Immerse yourself. Get yours now at OS Marina Shop for just RM29. You won't regret it.
So this is the complete video how you can generate for marketing video with AI, including avatar and voice and everything step by step. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and share.